So in this video you're going to learn how to build a website and start a blog step by step beginners tutorial 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online business, so please consider subscribing. So now let's get back to the video. So to build a website, the first thing which you need is a web host, okay, and Bluehost is one of the best web hosting for WordPress. So just for you guys, I have a 70% discount, and as you know that the pandemic of this virus is going on, so all the companies are giving all these hosting for really cheap. So this is a really good deal, and I hope you're safe from all this virus. Please stay at home and make proper use of it. So Bluehost is one of the best web hosting for your website. So all you have to do is just purchase this. The first thing is click on Bluehost, okay, and then you can just click on free domain for the first year. Just 1 minute. So what you could do is click on hosting, click on shared hosting, and then once you're over here, just get started. And then I would always select the recommended, because you can create unlimited website. They give you free domain, so you don't have to purchase a domain. They give you a free domain, free SSL. All you have to do is just select, and then you need to choose your domain. So currently I already have a domain, so you can write your domain over here. What is your website name? So for me, my website name is yavarkhan.com. so whatever your domain name is, you need to write your domain name over here. I'll go and choose one later, and then you need to fill out everything. And then the one which I said, I would say for 12 months, okay, and then it comes up to around $155. If you use my link, there would be more discount, but people say it's really expensive, but then it's a money back guarantee. The service is really good and they help you. There's online chat as well, so if you need anything, they would help you. So once you purchase this, again come back to Bluehost and just log in. So I'm gonna just do login. So I have my username, which is my domain name, and password. I'll just click on login. So this is my Bluehost dashboard. So if you just click on my sites, as you could see, I have a lot of websites, but for you guys, I'm going to create a new site, and creating a website is really easy. So all you have to do is just click on my sites, click on create a site. I would say blog test. Okay, this is like my site name. You could keep it really something different. I'm just for demo purposes, I'm keeping this. You can put a tagline, so let's say your blog is about food, so you could write food master, and then you could write the best food recipes around the world. You could do that, and then I'll just click on next. And then for me, I already have a domain, yavarkhan.com, and I already have a website over here. So you need to choose your domain from here and just click next. But I'm gonna write something like, because I already have a website over here, so I'm not gonna override it. So just the directory is this, so I'm gonna just write blog test and then just click next. So guys, you will be able to create your website in 3 seconds. It's so fast and easy with Bluehost. So 1, 2 and 3. So congratulations, you have installed your WordPress website. Now all you have to do is go to my site. So as you could see, this is the blog test. I can say go log into WordPress. So this is your website. We created blog test. So currently right now we are at our WordPress dashboard, and if you click here and just click on visit site, I'm opening in a new tab. You could see that this is our website. So congratulations, you've created your website. Now there are two most important things which you need to do is click on settings, close this, and click on general. All you have to do is put your site title, which you should have done it before. If you have not done it, you need to do it. The second thing is permalinks. So currently right now we need to change from plain to post name. The reason we are doing it is for SEO purposes, because right now currently if you open any of our blog post, it shows some number, but then we don't want to show that. We want to show the post name. So over here the post name is hello world, so the same thing would show. So if I'll just click on save changes, okay, so now if I refresh the page, if you could see, this one would show hello world. So let me refresh it. So yeah, so now this is really good for SEO, so people can find you on Google. So that's there. And now currently right now the theme looks really, our website looks very basic and simple. So now what we're going to do is install a theme. So click on appearance and themes. So basically theme is the skin of your website. So currently this looks very basic. Now we are going to make it much more better. So all you have to do is click on appearance themes, okay, and then click on add new theme. Okay, people always get confused, they search over here. No, you need to search. Click over here, click on add new theme. Once you do that, there are a lot of free themes, but the one theme which we are going to install is Astra. Click here and click Astra. This is the theme. Just click on install, and that's it. And you can just click on activate. So once you install the theme, all you have to do is click on appearance themes. Okay, so you could see your theme over here. And if you want to see your website right now, click on your website name and visit site. So currently this is how your website looks. Okay, it looks very simple and basic, but looks really elegant. Now I would show you right now how to write a blog post. So I would show you how to write a blog post. So basically you don't have to waste time on designing the color and the theme of your website, the colors and everything. The most important is start writing blog posts so people can start searching you and you can start getting ranking on Google, because you don't get to the top page of Google within 1 week. It takes at least minimum around 3 months. So it's gonna do that. So stop worrying about how to design your website and everything, because for that, if you see, there's a link down below. I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. In this thing I tell you how you could design, how you could customize and everything. So but for now, in this video, I'm just going to explain you how to start a blog post and just keep it short. So let's say if you need to write a blog post, just click on post, add new. Okay, and I'm also going to give you an idea how you could write. Okay, so click over here. So I could just give you the basic structure right now. This is your title, so this should include the keyword. So I'm going to explain you what keyword is. So this is how people can search you. So you could write your keyword over here. Okay, these are your paragraphs, so you could write anything over here. Okay, if you want to add image, click enter. You could see the plus sign. Okay, and then you can add a lot of things over here. You can add image, you can upload. I can add from media library, so I'm going to upload some images. So I'm going to upload from my computer. So this is one image. I'm going to put this, so this you could see, and then you can write again over here. You can write, click over here, paragraph again, you can write something, and then over here is your feature image. So you need to add, I'll explain you everything. So click over here, you can add your feature image. So again, I'm gonna add the same image. I'll just go upload something new, downloads, upload this recipe, this image. So I've uploaded the featured image as well. So as you could see, this is your keyword, this is your title, this is your description. So you could write your description about the recipe, about the food. So you could, your recipe is a lot of recipes, and then again you can write, and then you could publish. So once you publish this, it's updating right now. So if you go back to your website, so all you have to do is this, visit site, and you click here. So as you could see, this is your recipe, and then you can click here, and then as you could see, this was your feature image, and this is your recipe is, and everything. And then again, so this is a very simple, I just want to make this video simple. I don't want to get started on how to write a blog post in depth, give you some tips. So that's it for today's video. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing. And also, if you want to know how you could write a blog post and how you could find keywords, let me know in comments so I could just make a video about that. And that's it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Yavar Khan signing off. So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.